Hello from my English world. I have one important reminder for you today. Of course, it has to do with these much hated prepositions. Let's try to remember 5 dependent prepositions which are your so-called favorites. First, depend on and please only on. Like, my decision depends on the weather. Her kids always depend on her. 2. Congratulate somebody on something. I would like to congratulate you on your anniversary. We congratulated him on his achievements. 3. Laugh at somebody. Why are you laughing at me? Or stop laughing at him, it's not funny. 4. Spend time or money on something. He spends a fortune on his car. She never spends time on studying. Last but not least, good at something or bad at something. I'm so bad at math. Could you do these calculations for me? He's very good at languages. I think he should take up Spanish. All in all, I do realize that you make these mistakes because of your native language, but please don't ignore them. Depend on, congratulate on, spend on, laugh at, be good or bad at. Promise me to never make these mistakes in the comments. Good luck!